how I replaced the engine mount on the driver's side of a 2014 Dodge Charger RT. So the symptoms I was having was there was a thud noise and the car would shift to the side whenever I accelerated pretty hard. What you're gonna need is or what I used is a 13, 15, and 16 millimeter flex head wrench. You're gonna need or I used wheel ramps and a jack. Let's see. So get the car up on the wheel ramps, jack the car up on wood on the oil pan just a little bit to relieve some tension on the mounts. Then you're gonna wanna take a 13 millimeter to the heat shield. The heat shield will be on this side. It'll be connected right here in these two holes. And then you're gonna want to use a 16 millimeter to remove the side bolts. One here, and then a 15 millimeter to remove these two bolts. Then you're gonna want to jack the car up higher, and then you should be able to just remove this toward the back of the car. So if this way would be the front of the car, when this is in there, remove it to the back. That's how I got it out. And then after that, just reverse. That simple. All praise and glory be to God. Thank you.